Hello madlang guys, for today's video sharing you the what do you call this, mining extraction or gold extraction. Ano ba, I think it would be the laboratory of the Singson family or kina Chavit Singson pa to guys. Ito yung kanilang laboratory. I forget the specific name they call it, but dito ginagawa nila yung pag-extract ng gold. So no wonder ganun kayaman sina Chavit Singson, right? Ang dami nilang bars of gold sa picture guys. So ayan, mga decoration sa kanilang mining mining laboratory, whatever. So ayan na guys, so tingnan nyo ang mga ginto guys. I think nila yan sa kanilang dyan sa paggawaan ng ginto. Ano paggawaan ng ginto? Hindi yung nag-separate sila ng ginto guys. So ayan, I don't know if nagiging ano na lang siya, museum. Ang dami guys, yung gold bars. Ito na siya guys. What's good is they preserve the equipments that they use. Ayan, hindi ko alam ang mga names. Konti lang yung alam ko. Also, ang dami yan, no? Yung nagsisiparate sila ng gold. Alam, a weighing scale ba yun? So, I don't know what's this. Isang lawak na kanilang mining laboratory ba? Ano ba talagang name nito? Basta this one guys, they have actually a specific example of the stones or stone kung may mga ginto, tapos dito nila sinisiparate, kaya ganun kayaman ang mga Singson sa Ilocos. This is just their laboratories. I think hindi na sila hindi na nila ginagamit, but they were able to preserve the equipments and I don't know if it's still working. Basta ganun. Dito naman yung mayroon talaga siyang yan, yung mga pulmahan ng ginto siguro to. Tapos I don't know what's the use of this paper. I don't know what's the name, specific name. Basta dito nila sinisiparate yung stones na may ginto. Yan yun, no? Yan yung example ng hindi talaga nakapagpigil. Yan yung example ng bato na may ginto, tapos sinisiparate nila yan. Ayan guys, so no wonder ganun sila kayaman. Dati pa nag-i-extract na sila ng ginto from this into gold. Yan guys, I hope nalibot ko kayo sa kanilang laboratory, and that's it. Thank you for watching everyone. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.